How to remove someone from Facebook Messenger. So if you want to remove someone from your Facebook Messenger, then first of all you need to know one thing, that you can't remove someone from your Messenger only because your Facebook is linked to your Messenger, right? So first you need to remove that person from your Facebook, and after removing that, they will be automatically removed from your Messenger. Or there is another way, you can simply open up your Messenger application, and after opening, now for example, if you want to remove this person from your Facebook Messenger, then what you can do is you can simply block this person. Or you can go back and then you can hold on to that person for 2 to 3 seconds. Just tap on that, and then here you will have archive option. You can put this person in archive, or you can simply delete the conversation, or you can restrict this person so that person will not be able to call you, and you won't receive the notifications of that person's messages. Or you can simply choose the last option, which is block. So here on block you will have two options. You can block that person on your messenger and on Facebook individually. So if you don't want to block this person on Facebook, and if you want to block only on Messenger, then you can go for the first option, which is block messages and calls. Or if you want to block that person on Facebook also, then you can simply go for the second option also. So that's it, that's how you remove. Or you can simply go for your Facebook and then you can unfriend that person. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.